all I had is Hendrix. Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am about to head to Dunkin' Donuts and then over to Phil's for an install. So I will catch you when we get back there.
Got some new parts for the Civic, so we're going to do an install video on those. We got new fenders, not anything fancy. I just got replacement ones to kind of get rid of the aluminum foil look I got going on the passenger side. We got new TOP1 Canards, so we'll show you an install on that, and we'll also do a little bit of review on them later. Got new headlights because honestly I don't even think if I dehaze them I'd get them fully out, but I want a nice crisp look on the front, so I think that's really going to make it pop nice. Get a nice close-up of the lights here. They're just stock EK lights, but I think it's going to make a huge difference. It'll be like night and day on this car. It's going to be great. It's not going to look so bad in photos and videos anymore, which is I'm super hyped about.
Just, you know, in and out vlogging, and real quick I walked over to Kevin's car and looked under his hood, and apparently these nuts replaced his timing belt on 31360.
Yeah, it was the barn.
These nuts, can you guys see that? Something definitely came in the mail on that day. Focus, there it is.
Alright, so these are the track Canards from TOP1 Motors. Okay, out of the box, this is how they come, like this. Okay, they're like a polyurethane. They're actually pretty sturdy for being a plastic. They're gonna have 4 holes in them like this. There's not gonna be anything on it. So when you put it up to the bumper, you're gonna have to actually line it up. You'll see this line here when it goes on the bumper. When you line it up, there won't be any gaps. So that's how you're gonna tell if it's gonna be on right. Because if you have it on at a weird angle, there's going to be big gaps in between these bolts here, so it's a good judge to go by. They're going to give you a bunch of L brackets like this, which are going to go on like this. Make sure it's flush, so you're not creating a gap yourself. Make sure they're on there nice and flush. I mean, they're machined pretty well, so you know you can't really even mess it up. When you're done bolting them all on like this is how it's going to look. Okay. Pretty much you're just going to put it up on the bumper after you got your line and you got it, and you're going to drill into the bumper like this, right into your 4 holes, and then you just screw it on with all the hardware that they give you. They give you all the hardware, so you don't have to go outsource it, and then you put it on. It's pretty easy. So we're going to drill the holes now, and we're going to get it on.